Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I find my inner and outer balance, but we're going to focus on the outer part, so let's get started. I started by using a Clinique foundation, which is great for dry skin, as well as a Bare Minerals powder, which helps me control the shininess. And then beat the heck out of your face. I'm also going to use this e.l.f. contour powder, which I've just had for a very long time. And I don't know what the shade is because it kind of faded away. And please, don't forget the ridges of your nose. And now here we're using the James Charles color palette, which is my favorite because it has all the colors, but we're just going to use two of them today. So we're going to use the lighter pink one and then also the white beige shimmery one. Comment what the color is because obviously I don't know my colors. Side note, I did fix it. Now I'm just going to use this eyeliner, which I totally forgot the name of, but you can just use any eyeliner. And then as you can tell, I started by doing one line on both sides and then connecting them with the upper lines. And don't forget to curl your eyelashes. I almost did. Yes, this is a Gucci mascara, which I never knew existed until I got one gifted to me. And let's not forget one of my favorite lipsticks, which is the ColourPop, and also the Burt's Bees Shimmer Chapstick. Let's go ahead and cut the lashes to our eye length. And if you want things to look cleaner, get the black eyelash glue. Don't forget to let them dry for a long time. A very long time. Well, not dry, more like tacky. Something that also helps getting lashes on is by starting in the center and then dealing with the corners. All done. I really don't know what I'm doing here, but let's just go with it. Ta-da! And just like that, we're ready to head out the door. Thanks for watching!